Hi everyone, welcome to Civil Engineering Tutorials. In this video, I will create front elevation of house and staircase in AutoCAD. So this is the ground floor plan, this is first floor plan, this is ground floor side elevation, this is two storage side elevation, this is ground floor side elevation and this is first floor side elevation. So I have already created this in my previous video and its link is given in the description box. So please follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter to get all kinds of updates. Also hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated with all new videos. So let's get started. So in this video I will create the front elevation. And in my previous video I have created the side elevation. Side elevation means this side view I have created, and in this video I will create this side view. This is the front side, so I will create the front elevation means this side view. So first of all I will copy these plans, this ground floor plan and this first floor plan I will copy. So select these two plans first, copy and paste it here. Now I will rotate the ground floor plan. Now rotate the first floor plan. So I will keep this on same line. Select, move, this is the base point, make ortho up and I will keep on this same line. For reference I am keeping this on same line. So take horizontal line, you can see this is on same line. So I will keep the first floor also in same line. So move this point to this point. I will move this ground floor plan towards this side. Okay, now delete this line. Now I will take construction line, make wall layer. Now wall layer is in current layer, so take construction line, Excel, enter. I need horizontal line, H, enter. So I will keep in same line. This is the ground level. Now ground level to plinth level height 2 feet and 6 inch. So give offset distance 2 feet and 6 inch. Select, click on upward direction. Now come to the plan. Here we are creating front elevation means this side view. So here we can see these columns and the staircase. So first take construction line, we need vertical line. Now here, click here and click here. Here we can see the thickness of this column because here there is no wall. We don't have any wall here. So we can see the thickness of this column. This side column also we can see the thickness because here also there is no wall. So we don't have any wall here. This column thickness also we can see. And this column thickness also we can see. Now we can see this window and the chhajja projection. You can see this is the window chhajja. So we can see this chhajja projection from front elevation. So first I will create this, then I will create the staircase elevation. So first I will create the plinth projection, that is 6 inch. Give offset distance 6 inch. Select this line, click to this side and select this line, click to this side. This is the chhajja line. So this is the plinth projection line. I will take again offset distance 3 feet from this line to and from this line to here. Now I will use trim. So give trim command. Trim all the extra lines. First I will trim this line and this line. This is and this line. So here this side and this side and this side. This is the plinth projection I have created. Now delete these two lines. Again trim this line. This is the ground level. Trim this line and these two lines. Delete these two lines. So this is the ground level and this is the plinth level. So now I will create the roof slab. That is, this is the plinth projection 6 inch this side also 6 inch plinth projection. Now I will create the roof slab, that is 10 feet and 6 inch from plinth level. Delete this. This is ground level. I will copy this text and this is plinth level. Plinth level. So roof slab I will create, that is 10 feet and 6 inch from plinth level. So give offset distance 10 feet and 6 inch. Select this line, click on upward direction. Now roof slab thickness 4 inch. Again offset distance 4 inch. Select this line, click on upward direction. Here in this building we are not going to provide roof slab projection. So I will simply trim this. Here there is no roof slab projection. So I will simply trim this. And again trim, select this line and trim all these extra lines. Now I will extend this line. Here you can also use fillet command instead of extend command. So this is the roof slab. Now give offset distance 7 feet. This is the lintel slab from plinth level. And lintel slab thickness 3 inch. Select this line and click on upward direction. This is lintel slab. Now we need to extend the lintel slab to this chhajja level. We need to extend this. This is the chhajja projection. Now trim this line, also this line, and delete this line. So I will create this column first, this column and this column. So what I need to do, I need to simply trim these two lines from here and trim these two lines from here. So this is, you can see these two columns we have created. Now this window is, this is, I forgot to mention the name here. This is 5 feet. 5 feet means this is W. 5 feet length, 4 feet 6 inch height, W. Here I have mentioned. So copy this and paste it here. This is W. Now this is also W. So dimension is 5 feet length, 4 feet 6 inch height. I will move this reference to here. So W is 5 feet length, 4 feet 6 inch height. Now I will move this near to this plan. I will keep it here. Okay. Now take a rectangle, REC, enter, specify first point here on this corner point. Right click, go to dimensions, specify the length, that is 5 feet, enter. Now specify the width, that is 4 feet and 6 inch, enter. Width or height. So this is the window. Now delete these two lines. So this column we need to create, and this column. So I will simply trim this from this plinth level, trim, and trim these two lines, also trim these two lines. So I have created these two columns also. Now this window here we have created. Now I'll trim this lintel slab. So trim this line, these two lines. Okay. Now I will create this window. So make window layer as current layer. So change this to window layer. Okay, now I will give you offset distance 3 inch. Select and click on upper inner side. Now draw a line on midpoint. Give offset of 1 inch to both sides. 1 inch to this side, also 1 inch to this side. Now delete the middle line. This is a very simple design of window. This is the window I have created. So this is, I have created the columns and window. Now I will create the staircase elevation. So staircase here, from front elevation we can see the riser. These are the treads. From you can see numbers of treads: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So 21 numbers of treads. So on plan we can see treads, and from elevation we can see risers. So here height of roof slab from plinth 10 feet and 6 inch. So riser height is 6 inch. So 10 is divided by 6 inch means 22 numbers of riser we have. So tread 22 minus 1, 21 numbers of tread. So riser you can say 6 inch and tread 9 inch. So rise 22 numbers, tread 21 numbers. So I will create, on elevation we can see treads. On elevation we can see risers, and on plan we can see treads. So these are the risers. You can see, count 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. 21 numbers of risers. But tread, 22 numbers of risers, but tread 21 numbers. See? (21) numbers of treads. So treads 21 numbers, riser 22 numbers. On elevation we can see risers, that is 6 inch height. So rise 6 inch, tread 9 inch. On plan we can see treads, on elevation we can see rise. So 4 feet height, 4 inch from here. Actually this is the plinth level, this is the plinth level, and this is the finished floor level. This is not plinth level actually. Here I have mentioned this plinth level, but actually this is finished floor level, and plinth level is below 4 inch from finished floor level. This is the finished floor level and this is the plinth level. This is the finished floor level. So here also this is the finished floor level. So I have mentioned this plinth level, but actually this is the finished floor level, and this line below 4 inch from finished floor level, this level is plinth level. So I will change here also this copy, and this is also finished floor level, and offset distance 4 inch from this line, and this level is plinth level. This is plinth level. This is the plinth level, and this is the finished floor level. So we need to create the staircase elevation. So from front side we can see only rises we can see. You can see only riser we can see here. These are the treads. So extend these two lines first. Select this line. Extend. Select this line. Now extend this line. Also this line. Now I will. So this is 9 inch. So I will take construction line, vertical line from here. So I'll start from here. Give offset. Give offset distance 6 inch to upward direction. Now I'll trim all these extra lines. Here to trim here. Delete this line. Also delete this line. Now this is the riser 6 inch. So I'll create riser from here. So give offset. Change the layer. This is stairs. So on first flight we need 11 risers. So this is here to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. So 11 numbers of risers. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 numbers of riser you can see. You can also check from here. Construction line. Horizontal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So you can see 11 numbers of 11 numbers of riser you can see in first flight. So trim the extra lines. So I'll trim from here and trim from here. Also trim this line and this line also we need to trim. Now next flight we can see from here. From here. So I'll draw a line here, or I'll simply extend this line. Now I will use break command or simply trim this line from here and draw a line. You can also use break command. Now here I will again create another flight, that is 6 inch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 and 11. Total 22 numbers. So one flight 11 number, another flight 11 number, 22 numbers of riser. So extend these two lines. So total 22 numbers of risers. Now we need to trim this roof slab from here. We can there will be no roof slab here. So here also I need to break this because this is the riser. It's coming on same level of roof slab. So I'll extend this. Now delete the extra line. So 2 flights I have created. Now here this side rises we cannot see. Delete this line. I will show you here. So from front elevation I have created this. So this, trim this. Okay. This side, this is the entry side. We are going this way and we are coming in upward direction to here. Again we are going towards this direction. So from front side we cannot see this risers, all these risers. We can see only these risers we cannot see. So I will make this dotted. If you will delete this also it will be okay, but I am showing this in hidden lines. So change the property and line type 9 inch. Change the color also. I will change the color. I am keeping this in dashed line. I am showing this in hidden lines and change the color. This color I will keep. That means you cannot see this from front elevation. So I'll do match properties. All these steps are there, but we cannot see this from front elevation. That's why I am keeping this in hidden lines. So from front elevation we cannot see this, all this. So 6 inch from here. This line also will be there. So it's coming on this line. Now here we can see the staircase parapet wall. From front elevation, here the parapet wall will be there. So for that, give offset. Staircase parapet wall we need to provide here. So give offset, parapet wall height 2 feet and 6 inch. Select this line, click on upward direction. Now change the layer. This is wall layer. Keep it in bilayer and line type also bilayer. Now I'll extend this from here. Extend. First select this line, also select this line. Now extend to both sides. Again I will give offset. I'll change the thickness to 30. Now I'll give offset distance 2 feet and 6 inch to this level. So this is the parapet wall. Here one more thing you have to understand. So due to parapet wall, this is the 2 feet and 6 inch height parapet wall. Due to this parapet wall we cannot see again these steps. This much riser we cannot see as there is parapet wall. I will turn off. So we need to make dotted. Do all this. Again turn on this. Now we need to make dotted till this parapet wall. Due to this parapet wall we cannot see this risers. Till this risers only we can see this much steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 steps only we can see as there is parapet wall. So I have made this hidden lines, so we cannot see this much steps. So now I will hatch this. So turn off all these layers. Turn off this wall layer. Stairs. Now hatch this. Go to pattern. I will select box hatch, okay, and scale I will keep 25. At pick point, click inside. and press enter. This is the parapet wall. Now I'll edit this parapet wall later. So this is the stairs. Let the parapet wall to be like this now. Later I will edit this. I will show you. Next, we are coming from this side and we are going to this side. So due to this parapet wall, you cannot see this much. Only this much we can see. So this is the ground floor front elevation. So here roof slab will not be there. So construction line, vertical line. Click here, again click here and click here. See, you can see all we have created is correct. This line also, this is this line. Now this is the ground floor front elevation and these are the steps 11 and this side also 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 numbers of rise or steps you can say also. So on front elevation, remember on front elevation we can only see riser. Side elevation you can see both riser and treads. Now change the color. Now Excel, I will check here whether the steps are correct or not. The risers are correct or not. You can check from this elevation. Sorry, this side elevation. I have taken projections from side elevation. You can see all those riser lines are correct. You can see all are coming on, all lines are coming in same line. Now trim this side also you can see it's all correct. See, all are coming in same line. Delete. See, these are also same line. Okay. Now I will create the parapet wall here. So for parapet wall, give 2 feet and 6 inch offset from roof slab. Give offset distance 2 feet and 6 inch. Select this line, roof slab line, and click on upward direction. Again offset distance 3 inch. Select this line, click on upward direction. Now extend this line and this line. These two column lines we need to extend. Extend this and this. So this is the parapet wall. I will hatch this parapet wall, hatch. So this is the ground floor front elevation. Now I will create the first floor front elevation. So before that we need to provide a sliding gate here. So first I will copy this and then I will create the sliding gate. So I will copy this. So I need to create the first floor front elevation. So due to that I need to copy this. Copy, make ortho on, and we need to paste it on same line on this column line. Now make ortho on. And paste. So now this is on same line. So first I will create a sliding gate here. So for that take offset distance 4 feet from this line to upper side. Here I will show you, here to here one gate we need to provide. I will show you here on plan. So this column to this column, here a gate will be here. We need to provide a gate here, and again on ground floor, again now we will go in this way. This side is empty on ground floor. You can see here this side is empty. So a gate will be provided here. So for that, take a rectangle, REC, enter, specify first point here and second point here. Give offset distance 2 inch, select, click on inner side. Now on ground floor we need to provide another gate here. This is I am showing in first floor, but we need to provide in ground floor. Sliding gate will be on ground floor in front of parking area. So take reference from here, means from here. It will start from here. So offset 2 inch from this line. Now I will take rectangle here to here. Delete this line. Give offset distance 2 inch. Select, click on inner side. So this I have created. Now draw a line here to here. Another line we need to draw on midpoint to here. Now give offset of 1 inch to both sides. Here to 1 inch. Again here to this side 1 inch. Delete the middle line. Trim. Delete this line and trim this line from here, these two lines, also this line, and delete these two lines. Here also we have to do some work. So what we need to do, change the layer. Change all these layers. Turn off window layer. Turn off stairs. Now I will hatch this. Solid hatch I will do. I will hatch the sides. Here I will create again. So sliding gate I will provide here to here, and this column to this column. Take a construction line, vertical line here and click here. Again this line to this line, click here and click here. So I will create here. So give offset distance 4 feet. Select this line and click on upward direction. Now take rectangle from this point to click on this point. Again take rectangle this point to click on this point. Now delete this line. So give offset now. Give offset distance 2 inch. Select, click on inner side. Again select, click on inner side. Now draw a line. Simply I will trim this. First offset 1 inch from this side and 1 inch to this side. Now delete this line and trim this line, also this line. Now I'll extend these two lines to these two lines, also these two lines I need to extend. Now I'll trim all these extra lines. You can also use fillet command here, no issues, but I will simply trim this. Now delete all these extra lines. Delete these two lines. This line trim here. Now delete this line. So I have created the sliding gate. This is the sliding gate. It will be on ground floor only. Draw a line here. Now draw another line on midpoint. Give offset of 1 inch to both sides. Select, click to this side. Select, click to this side. Now delete the middle line and trim all these extra lines. So this sliding gate will be in ground floor in front of parking. It will be on ground floor only. And delete these two lines. Now I will hatch this. So turn off this window layer and stair layers also I will turn off. Now I will hatch this. So first of all, hatch, take by layer, change this to keep the gate layer as current layer. Change all this to gate layer and by layer. I'll do match properties. All layers. I'll keep everything in layer. These are all sliding gates. Delete this line. Now I'll do hatch here. So give hatch command. Whole layer also I will turn off so that it will be easy to so that it will be easy to do hatch. Make gate layer as current layer. Now hatch, enter. I'll do solid hatch here. Enter. Now I'll hatch inside. So enter. Go to settings. Pattern. Go to I will no, I will go to here and from here I will select for sliding gate. I will select this one. Click on OK. Now scale I will give 50. At pick point, click inside. Yes, it will be perfect. Now press enter. Now I'll turn on all these layers. Stair layers also I need to turn on. So this is the ground floor front elevation. So sliding gate will be in ground floor. This is the ground floor sliding gate. I will copy this gate to ground floor plan. Sorry, ground floor elevation. Copy. This is the base point and paste it here. Now I will create the first floor elevation. This is the ground floor elevation. So this is the first floor. So first floor elevation I will create. So for this I will simply copy this elevation, select. We need to select all these steps. Select properly. Now copy. This is the base point and paste it here on this roof slab. Paste here. Now here sliding gate will be not there, so I'll delete this. Delete all these lines. These are the sliding gate lines. Also delete here. So draw a line here. This point to this point. And do match properties because this is stair. Now here also this is the first floor. You can see. So first floor, you can see first floor. Here here this one window, one door and one window. So we need to delete this window. This window is only in ground floor. This is in ground floor, but first floor we need to create these two windows and one door. You can see here these two windows and one door. So make window layer as current layer. Now take construction line. We need to create two windows and one door here on first floor. So take construction line. We need to take projection lines from here, these windows and this door. Excel, enter. V for vertical. Click here. Click here. This is window. This is another window. And this is the door. So we can see two windows and one door on first floor. So I'll extend the lintel slab here. So from here it will be 7 feet. So I'll simply extend this. You can see here to here. This is 7 feet lintel slab. Extend. Select this line and extend the lintel slab. Now I'll create the window. Here I will create the window. So take a rectangle. REC, enter. Specify first point here. Right click. Go to dimensions. This is W. Dimension is 5 feet length, 4 feet 6 inch height. So length specify 5 feet. Enter. And height 4 feet and 6 inch. Enter. This is the window. Delete these two lines. These two window reference lines we need to delete. Next, I need to create the door. This door and this window is same as another window. Door is, this is D3. So take rectangle, REC, enter. Specify first point here, right click, dimensions 3 feet length, height 7 feet, enter. So delete this window is same as this window, so I'll create the window first, then I will copy and paste it there. So give offset distance 3 inch, select, click on inner side, draw a line on midpoint here to here and give offset distance 1 inch, select, click to this side, select, click to this side. Now delete the middle line. This is the window. So due to parapet wall, we cannot see this much length. So we need to trim this. Trim. You can also make this hidden lines, but here I will trim this. So I'll simply copy this. Also door, in case of door also you cannot see this much till this parapet wall. So now I'll keeping this like this. So I'll first copy this window. Copy and paste it here. This window W. Copy. This is the base point and paste it here. This window, delete these two lines. So we have created two windows, one door. We have finishing work for this door. So first I will trim, this lintel slab. Delete these two lines, these two reference lines. Draw a line first give offset, or simply you can draw a line here. Now divide into 3 segments. Draw a line here. So another line, but this line we don't need as it is coming in parapet wall layer. So I need to delete this. So this is no longer required because we cannot see this length. So delete this, also delete this. Only we need this line, so delete all these lines. Now give offset. First I'll trim this door from here. Okay. Now give offset. Draw a line on midpoint. Trim from here. Delete this line. Offset distance 1.5 inch. Select, click to this side. Select, click to this side because finish 3 inch. So again offset distance 3 inch. Now delete these two middle lines. Trim all these extra lines. All these extra lines. Also we have to trim this line. So this is the door. We have created this door. So in first floor we have created this window, this door and this window. On ground floor we can see these columns and this window. You can see these columns we can see, but in first floor we cannot see these columns because these columns are coming inside walls. Walls are there, so we cannot see these columns. This column we cannot see as it is coming inside wall. We cannot see this column. So I'll simply delete this. This column will be there, but we cannot see as it is coming inside wall. And these two columns also we cannot see as these two columns also coming inside wall in first floor, but in ground floor it is here there is no wall. So we can see the thickness in ground floor, but in first floor we cannot see the thickness of these columns and there is wall. So we have to delete. We can see only these two sides of this wall. So delete this line also delete this line. Hope you understand. As there is wall in first floor, so we cannot see these columns. So first floor will be like this. You can see these two windows, door, and this column. This column we cannot see. In ground floor we can see, as there is no wall, we can see the thickness of these columns, and on first floor these columns are coming inside wall, you can see. So we cannot see these columns from front elevation here. Okay. Alright, now this is the first floor. This window, this door, and this window we have created. This is the parapet wall. So next we need to create staircase, headroom. So room will not be there, only column we can see and the slab. So here we need to trim this from this side. See, I will show you again. Join this. Trim. We have done this. So I'll rectify this later. So first I will create the staircase headroom. That is not a room. This is the open staircase. So I will simply, it will be column, 4 columns and roof slab. So give offset distance 8 feet from this roof slab. Click here. Now I will take projection lines. So offset of 4 inch this line and click on upward direction. Now I need to take construction line and to take projection lines from these two columns, this column and this column. So Excel V take vertical lines. So again on this level we can see the columns because there is no wall. So trim this from here. This is the column. Again trim this from here. Trim this. So we have done this. Now I'll extend. Select extend these two lines. So here I will provide roof slab projection, that is 1 feet and 6 inch. So offset distance 1 feet and 6 inch. Select, click to this side, select, click to this side. Now again extend this line and extend these two lines, means the roof slab. Now I will trim the extra lines. Trim, also trim and trim these two lines. Again trim all these extra lines. So this is these two columns and roof slab for staircase. Here this is the last steps. There will be no steps here, so we can see the roof slab here. Roof slab will be provided here. As this is the last staircase, so roof slab will be provided here. So Excel horizontal line here and here. So there will be roof slab. So I'll use trim command. So this is the roof slab will be provided here, because this side will be no staircase. So this is the column. So take offset of 2 feet and 6 inch. We need to provide the parapet wall here on this side. Now offset 3 inch. Extend this line to here. Now I will hatch this. So first of all, I will need to trim this. So we cannot see this much parapet wall because parapet wall will be till here. Column will be there. So I will do match properties. Okay, this will be the parapet wall. So like this parapet wall, as you have created the parapet wall here, so we have to see, this is the sliding gate. I will show you. This is the staircase. In this way we are going. Then this slide. Again we are going this way. So we can see only this much steps. Again we are coming to this way and this side. Again this is the last flight. So this is the ground floor and this is the first floor. Copy this. This is the 2-story front elevation. 2-story front elevation. Here parapet wall will be till this, as there is balcony. So column thickness we cannot see, but here column will be there. In front there is no wall. So parapet wall will start from this column, end of this column to this column. Okay, end of this column to here. So here we need to trim this. We need to trim this. Trim this. Delete this line. This line also we cannot see, so I'll make this, change the color. We cannot see this line, so trim this. Also trim this. So parapet wall will start from here to here. It will start from here to here. Column will be there. So I will do match properties here, because again we cannot see this and we need to trim. First I will join these two column lines. Now I need to trim this. Trim here. Delete this line. Trim this. So we can see this column, then this parapet wall, because parapet wall will be here from column to this column to this column. See, this end of this column to this column. Here will be parapet wall, and this side also it will continue. So this is the 2-story front elevation. So hope you like this video, and if you find this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and comment. Thank you for watching.